when you're at the 12th fret, you're at the octave of the open string. That is to say, if you're playing the low E string, when you play it at the 12th fret, it's also an E note. The A string is also an A note at the 12th fret, and the same for the other four strings. The patterns that we went over actually did cover the leftover notes, but they covered them up here past the 12th fret. The second pattern we played, and the third pattern we played, covered these notes that we missed up here. So let's just kind of go over these notes up here. What we didn't cover with the first pattern was the open D string, the open G string, and then starting on the B string, we didn't cover open B, C, D, and then open E, F, and G. Since the patterns in this lesson use the C major scale, we didn't mention any sharp or flat notes. What I'm going to do now is show you a simple way of figuring out what the notes are between the notes. That is to say, the notes that these patterns miss, there's an easy way to figure out what the name of these notes are. Starting with the first pattern we went over, open E, F, G, A, B, and C. You'll notice there's a missing note between the F and the G note. And that note is either F sharp or G flat. It would depend on what key you're playing in as to what it's written out as, but F sharp or G flat is the exact same note. It's always that note. If you have an interval between the G note and the A note, that note would either be G sharp or A flat. Still the exact same note. And moving up the fretboard, between the A note and the B note, you have either an A sharp or a B flat. And that's the way we fill in the missing notes on these patterns.